Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to my channel, Scrap and Rabbit. I just finished designing some templates for another printable micro journal, and this is based on antique advertising ads, and it's made with some images that I had purchased. Now it's similar to this micro album, where I had used some images of flowers to make this little mini journal, and the Christmas one as well. But this one is based on old advertisements. So I'll show you one of the little micro albums I made, and I'll do a video on the other one. I guess maybe I'll do this one. This one also comes with a tutorial on how to make these wraparound covers, and actually anybody can access it. I'll link to it on my YouTube channel. You can go have a look, and it shows you how to make the wraparound cover. So this one doesn't have the wraparound cover, but I want to show you what I did on the side. I have a flower attached to the spine of each of these, and I just made this with some lace that I gathered. And this comes off. It's a little bookmark with a gold paper clip, and you can use it in the journal. So I just put a little ribbon here on the side, and this tucks in here like that. So you can either leave it on or use it as a bookmark. And then it's the same thing on this one. There's a little bookmark. I thought that was kind of cute. Okay, so here's the wraparound cover, and this is tied with an elastic, so that just comes off like that. Now I wrapped the covers with some scrapbook paper that I had. This is not included in the printable. This is just, you take whatever paper you have on hand. This image is in the printables, so I use that one on the cover on the front. And then you could also attach something on the side. And again, the inside is just scrapbook paper that I had, and I use that to line. So here are the items that are part of the printables. I've got a tag here, and then I have this little envelope, and when you open that, there's a little piece of note paper in there. And then I've got lots of these little tags here. This is a little tag that I printed on photo paper, and it's just plain on the back. This is the signature cover. Now you can also use these as just regular pages if you like, but I printed this on cardstock, so it forms my signature cover. And then I put another little envelope there, and these are the tabs or the pockets that come with the templates. Now this is just some paper that I had in my stash. I cut it down to size and included it to add more pages to my journal. And also I cut these little tabs out of cardstock. I put an eyelet in there, and I attached a little charm. So I've got a little horse on this one. There's no particular theme for the charms. Now this is one of the journal pages. Another tag. And I added a doily that I folded, and you can tuck something in there. But there's lots of room to write little notes. I think these little journals are cute. They would probably make great little stocking stuffers. Little dictionary page. And here's some lined paper that's in the template. And then this is the back of the pages I just showed you. And some of these images here, this is printed on photo paper, and I just used a piece of cardstock to attach it. I didn't want to attach it on the page because that would take away too much from the writing space, so I just have that hanging on a piece of cardstock. This is the back. It's sort of a tea-stained look. There's the other section of the doily. And then I did the same thing with some of these tags. I just attached them so they flap down like that. And there's the back of the page. And then these tags are included, and I just attached some fibers to that. And then there's another one here. This is a little mini index card. I printed this on cardstock, so it's just like a regular size, or it's like a regular index card, only I shrunk down the image of my tea stain card. And then here's another tag, and this is paper that I had in my stash, although I think there is some of this paper in the template. And another tag. And this is a little 4-leaf clover charm, and this is in the template. It's a large index card, and it's folded in two. And I just attached a little flower in there. And when I assembled my pages together, I just put the flower, and it folds over to the back here like that. And I stitched it in with the pages. This is paper that I had in my stash, and that's from the template. And here's another one. This was in the signature cover section, and I just punched a border on there. Another tag. Another little tag with some fibers attached. There's another signature. Another little envelope. Dictionary page. Another template page. I've got a little seashell on here. The reason I'm going through this is because I will be including it in my Etsy shop, and I like to have a YouTube video because it's so much easier to see. This is from the templates. Oh, this one I just attached directly to the bottom of the page, and you can tuck something on there. And then another one of these little mini index cards and a tag. Shoe company advertisement. Another little envelope. And this is, I think it's a little bumblebee. I attached another flower in there. Here I had ripped the page, but I figured out what the heck, it looks like it's here, I'll just even tear off this little corner. It looks like it's really old. And then here's another ad. And again, another one of those signature covers. I just printed them on the cardstock. I had extra, so I thought I'll just throw it in there. And then I have another one of these larger tags at the back and a small one. And I finished off here the back inside cover with a little fold out. I've got a magnet in there. So that's my little micro journal with the wraparound cover. And I'll do another video for this one. It's very similar, but it doesn't have the wraparound cover. So now I'll just show you the templates.